Hi, I'm Jim McGowan with Raymarine, and this afternoon we're up on Lake Winnipesaukee in Meredith, New Hampshire, on board our Boston Whaler 280 Outrage, and we're looking at the latest products from Raymarine, including our new GS series glass bridge multifunction displays and our new Evolution autopilots. Let's take a look. We've rigged our Boston Whaler with Raymarine's newest GS series glass bridge multifunction display system. GS series is our new top-of-the-line high-performance system. It has our fastest processing and is available in 9, 12, or 15.4-inch screens. Like every Raymarine multifunction display, GS series uses our Lighthouse user interface. Lighthouse is super easy to use with large icons for all your applications. It's a very fluid touchscreen experience. To operate the system, simply touch the tile you want. GS series also features multi-touch. So in my chart plotter application, I can do things like pinch to zoom. Makes it very, very easy to move around the chart, to zoom in or zoom out, see exactly the information that I want to see. In addition to the great Lighthouse multi-touch controls on our GS series display, we can also control the system from the optional RMK9 keypad. The compact RMK9 keypad gives you full control of the Raymarine GS series. So with the unit controller here, I can zoom in or zoom out. I have access to all of my menus. And the ultra compact keypad can be installed just about anywhere. On our boat, we've installed it in portrait mode, but we also include a second key face that can be snapped on if you want to install this in landscape mode. In addition to controlling the GS series system, I can also use the RMK9 keypad to control any Raymarine A, C, E, or GS series display. By simply touching my task switcher icon, I can now roll from one display to another on the helm, and that gives me the ability to control anything I want on any screen. As you can see, we've built a very powerful and flexible navigation system here in our Boston Whaler, starting with a GS 165 multifunction display and an RMK9 remote keypad. What's really great about this system is that common Raymarine Lighthouse user interface. So we can take our GS series and combine it with any other Raymarine A, C, or E series displays. So what we've done here is started with some A65s, and we're using them for radar and charting, and we have our GS 165 as our main display on the helm. It's a very powerful and flexible solution. It enables you to develop something that's really customized to your boating needs. Our boat is rigged with Raymarine's brand new Evolution autopilot system. Now at the heart of every Evolution autopilot is our EV sensor core. What the EV sensor core is a 9-axis sensor system. It calculates the boat's heading, pitch, roll, and yaw. This also has our exclusive Evolution AI algorithms built inside. This little sensor core is actually the entire course computer for the boat. Now the best part of Evolution is that it has virtually no calibration required. The Evolution EV sensor core is super easy to install, and you can mount it just about anywhere you want on board the boat. And that can be anywhere above or below decks. The unit is fully sealed and waterproof. You can even mount it flush on the cabin top or any other horizontal surface if you like. On our boat, we've chosen to use the included bracket kit, and we've mounted it in one of our compartments below decks. The key to installing your EV sensor core is to get the arrow on top of it aligned with the boat's forward direction of travel. Once you've done that, you're all set to go. The only setup required on the Evolution system is a simple dockside wizard, which we'll step you through now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to confirm for the system what type of autopilot drive we have on board. Our boat is equipped with Mercury Verado outboards, so I simply select them from the menu and press select. Next, the dockside wizard is going to ask you what the rudder limits are on the boat. For our Mercury system, it's about 30 degrees. Hard overtime is the amount of time it takes the rudders to travel from hard port to hard starboard. On our system, it's about 10 seconds. The next task, the system's going to check what we call the rudder drive phase, and that's basically to make sure that the autopilot drives correctly to port and starboard when commanded. The first thing the system is going to do is it's going to try to move the rudders or your outboards to port or starboard. You'll see some motion of your rudders or your outboards, and you'll just confirm yes or no. In this case, did the rudder move to port? Yes. Now the system's going to drive in the opposite direction, and we want to confirm that it's doing that correctly. In this case, the Evolution system did drive the motors to starboard, so I would say yes. In the event it went in the opposite direction than expected, you'd say no, and the autopilot will compensate automatically by reversing the phase of the drive unit. Now that our dockside wizard is complete, we're ready to get underway. Evolution has 3 user-selectable performance modes, which enable you to tailor the autopilot to your liking. You can choose leisure mode, which is perfect for a relaxing day out on the water, when precision autopilot control isn't necessary. We also have cruise mode, which is what most boaters choose. Cruise mode gives you a nice blend of performance and economy. And finally, there's performance mode. Performance mode places a high emphasis on tight heading control and accurate course keeping. Raymarine's Evolution autopilots deliver amazing performance and simple operation. Evolution autopilots are available in a range of sizes and configurations to fit just about any boat. To learn more about the Evolution autopilot system, go to www.raymarine.com or see your local Raymarine dealer today.